Uh, Hello, uh, I'm Tenya Derek Tony from Shareability Uganda e-learning. I'm going to take you through graphics design. Our topic today is how to dress someone using Adobe Photoshop. Uh, so uh, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that the videos can be dropped in your playlist. Then if you have any suggestion, anything that you would like us to put in consideration, you can mail us on our email, elearning@shareability.net, or my personal contact, it is even on WhatsApp. So let us go for our topic for today. So today we are going to go through how to design it, how to dress someone using graphics. I'm having a lot of gomeses here, but I'm going to choose some two gomeses. Just imagine I'm going to use, let's say this one, this person. Bring it here. Then I go bring another gomesi for someone. I drag it. I bring it here. So I'm going to try to reduce this because it is going through and it is going out of the page that I have given it. Just come here, bring here your cursor, then press Shift Alt, then you press left click, then you left click, then you drop it down. So it helps you to reduce the image without losing its resolutions, without losing its pixels, without disorganizing it. So you click OK, then you come onto this one and just get it from here. Then I'll drop it down like this. I'll get it again. Then I click OK here to confirm the changes that I have made. So now this one is going to be our main image. We are going to pick this head and put it on this, and it will match. It will match well, and it will fit the person. You will think that this person in a blue gomesi dressed in this purple gomesi, which wasn't the truth. So let me just enlarge a bit. Click OK. Try to pull it down using the arrow keys. Then I'll get this, put it here like this. Doing that, I'm going to chop off her head, then bring it, chop off this, then bring this, bring it here. Let us start. Let me check my layers. First, I want this layer to chop off the head. So I'll zoom it. Then I'll come for this. Then I'll come for this. This is Macquarie tool. Then I'll enlarge this slowly by slowly. Then you make sure that you get the head only. Don't take the neck too, because the neck in this process we need it. We need the neck. So like that. Then I will say delete, because I'm on the right layer. will delete the Y one. Then I'll just do this and I'll put away all these. Then I will come for this. You see, I have tried to target these, to target where her neck ends, like this, So what I'll do, first and foremost, I'll come here, change the layer. This is the blue one. So you can even name these layers, by the way, if you want. If you are working on a lot of layers, then I'll press Ctrl J. Ctrl J enables me to copy. So I'll copy this and bring it here. I'll copy it and bring it here like this. Like that. So now this one, we no longer want it. It is useless. So this is our image. Let me try to put it in the middle. Click on this, even this, the head and the body. So try to put it in the middle using the arrow keys. Don't mind of that. It will get in position when you release. So here we go. You look, here we have magic. It has fitted on very well, and let me just remove this green color here a little bit. Just want to chop off this green color here. Then I'll come on select, click OK. Oh, I'm on both layers. I want this one, the downer one. Then I'll click OK, and it has gone away. Then Ctrl D. Then I zoom out my video. So my image is there. You can't even realize whether this body wasn't hers. You can't even tell anyone that this body wasn't of this head. So if after that, what we are going to do, this is not together with the head. So to avoid these things getting dismantled, just come, click on this, select both layers, then you press Ctrl E. That is merging, and it will become one photo now. One photo. You can even change the background. Can do anything with it now. Or you want to put it on a frame, it is now okay. So that has been our video for today, and I hope you have learned how to do this. Sometimes, somewhere, somehow you have to balance colors. If the person is more lighter, if the face that you have got is more lighter and the body is more a little bit or chocolate or what, then you'll have to balance the light, you'll have to balance the colors, but we shall do that next time. But that has been my video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shareability Uganda e-Learning. Thank you, and you check in my playlist. There is a lot of videos for you, and they'll keep on dropping in for you. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell and personalize.